so this is the camera which I have showed you. So this comes in something 4000, and it is not it is not easily available in India. I have imported it, and it is cool camera, action camera you can say, which can be compared with the GoPro. So let's start and see what's there inside. So this is the startup screen, and you have something 124 GB extendable memory card, means like you can insert here, which is here मैंने इधर डाल के रखा है. So I'm using 124 GB memory card, and also you get one, what do we say, mini HDMI, which is not useful, and mini USB. So let's go to the function. Okay, so this is the setting mode. Okay, so this is the setting mode. Okay, so here we have some arrows, and from there we can select whatever we want. So let's go in the setting. If you want to go in setting, just push this button over here, and these all settings are there. So you can shoot with 1080p 60 fps, 1080p 30 fps, 4K 25 fps, 2.7K 30 fps, which is more good. I prefer 1080p, which is 30 fps, which I use for Moto vlogs, and it is good as per the comparison. So video looping is something like, if you want to loop the video, means like the video will be looped after every 10 or 20 minutes. It is on UK whether you have to do, means like video looping, but I have kept it off, so better it's off. So timestamp, exposure, these all things, photo resolution is important. So this is the photo resolution. I have kept it on the big 4608 multiplied by 2592. This is the best you can get in this camera. And the burst mode is for the, you can say, for the time lapse. So this is 3 pics, you can keep more and more. So I have kept it 3. Time lapse, so time lapse you can, what do we say, you can select the option key, like in how much interval you can click a photo, like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, after 5 seconds. So I prefer 3 seconds all time. And the continuous lapse is something, what we can say, it has been continued after while lapping, and that's it. So power frequency is, I don't know about it, so I've kept on auto. Languages, English, date and time is all set. Sound indicators means that there's all this these things. Okay, so this was all the review about my Eken 4K Ultra HD, which has a Wi-Fi built in, and that's it.